All right, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy AG. So, a lot of people reached out to me today asking about the crypto market. They said, what is going on with crypto? It's dumped a whole bunch. Is now the time to sell? And I want to show you guys what I think happened today, what I think is going on, and what I think will occur from here. What's going to take place from here? So, if we look at the chart over here, really quick, I won't bore you with the details, but I do want to show you guys something. So we're on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, and way back on over here in this area, this is back in 2018. It continued. I talked about this in a previous video. What happened was it dumped down to just under 6K, bounced up, but we kept making lower highs after hitting the 6K area, which is a very bearish pattern that was forming. So it dumped, and we came over here. Let's just use a nice horizontal for that. Yep. And let's just say, yeah, we'll do it around 38. So as you can see, it was consolidating here for a couple months down in the 4K to 3K area. And then what happened? Well, it moved on upwards, went from 3K to 13K, a nice 3 or 4X, nicely done. And then after that, went sideways for a bit and then dumped. And we pumped up again, and then we dumped. So a lot of people said, what happened here? Well, that was during, when the World Health Organization declared, coronavirus a global pandemic, and the markets freaked out. And they dumped, at least that was what it was blamed on. But really, if you look at it, it dumped down, and where did it wick to? Wick to that same area over here. This was basically a great buying opportunity for the whales. In other words, the big players, the big Wall Street firms. If they missed out accumulating Bitcoin or other cryptos over here, here was their chance. What happened after that? It marched forward, and that's pretty much the end of it. All the way until we got up to 65K. Well, look what happened today. Bitcoin's first higher low on the weekly from when it was way back over here, and it was that we had a low at 12K. It dumped down. We got all the way down. Bitcoin rather got all the way down to like 28K. And then we had the great run from 28K to 65K. We had a bit of redistribution up here, at least that's how it looks. We dumped. And where did we dump down to? Roughly 28K. You could say 30K. And even just today, this is a weekly chart, but all this action right here, this wick on that candle, that's all happened today. Like, it's currently 10:45 at the time of recording. Okay, all of that buying action has happened in the last 2 hours, basically ever since Wall Street has opened back up. Let's go to a very small time frame, like the 5 minute, or better yet, let's go to the 15 minute. Yeah, okay, look, wow, okay. This tells you all you need to know. So look, we had that crazy dump down. We were over here earlier today, just above 40K, and then we dumped to, well, this chart says 30K. But look, these are all 15-minute candles. So all this buying action has happened recently. We've gone up $7,000 in just a couple of hours. That is insane after a dump. And we're doing Bitcoin rather is currently forming a bullish reaccumulation pattern. We can take the measured move, and this is on the low time frame, so I think we're going to go even higher from here. Get another trend line in. Yeah, there you go. What's the measured move on this baby? 35.1 high. Yeah, so this has a measured move back to 40K. Okay, but really, guys, what this chart shows me and why it's important is that I think this was just another instance of the whales reaccumulating. Let's go back to the weekly here. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's all I think today's dump was. This was an opportunity for the whales to get back in. Any of the whales that missed over here, And then I do think we're going to march forward onward. I still think 100K Bitcoin is possible even this year. You know, so we'll see. But I do think today's a great buying opportunity. I myself personally, dollar cost averaged and bought some today, not Bitcoin, but another crypto, not financial advice, by the way. And yeah, I just think we're going to reaccumulate from here, if that's even a word, and we're going to go higher. Let's look at other charts. You'll see a similar thing. Here's Ethereum. This is a very popular coin. It wicked down to this area over here and has been bought up. And if you just go to various, you know, charts in this space, you'll see a similar thing. Here's Bitcoin Cash, wicked down over here to this area of volume, this area of consolidation, and is wicked up. And you'll pretty much see all these charts look the same, you know, with very few exceptions. So anyway, just thought I'd make the quick video. Yeah, I think if you're in this market, you know, you should not worry. You should rejoice because it's a buying opportunity. If you're too worried, I mean, you might have too much invested in the market. But anyway, yes, I think today is a great buying opportunity. I would not worry at all in the slightest. And, you know, once again, I think we move up and on from here. So that's it, guys. Take care, and we'll see you soon.